From News Channel 7, time for 7 First Alert weather.
This Friday certainly had a little bit more mild and almost spring-like feel to it with our warmer temperatures that we saw. Roughly, these high temperatures are about 10 to 15 degrees above average for what we would typically see this time of year. Boise had a high of 52 degrees, nearing 50 in other Treasure Valley spots as well. And that's kind of going to set the tone for us for the weekend. Mild temperatures, breezy at times, but now as we go into the weekend, we start introducing more chances of valley rain and mountain snow. So here's the view of your weekend all in one snapshot. Again, tomorrow's temperature is going to be staying mild with a high of 50. Sunday also mild with a high of 46 roughly for those valley locations. And now over to the mountains. On Saturday, the snow level is going to be around 5,000 feet. So anywhere above 5,000 feet can expect snow. Below that, we're expecting rain or a rain-snow mix. Sunday, that switches to snow as the snow level drops. So it's on Sunday about 3,500 feet for that snow level. And if you're wondering, well, Sophia, these really mild temperatures, are we going to stick around and see these spring-like conditions continue? Well, our temperatures do decrease after this weekend and going into next week. So just know winter will be making its way back. You can see how consistent those 30-degree temperatures are going to be until we go into next week. And that's certainly the long-term pattern points to that as well. And we are expecting more moisture to move in because the Pacific moisture we've been talking about for the past few days is finally in our area. It's finally slowly worked its way in. And we're actually starting to see some of that fall. And so I think it's making it to the surface over in the Twin Falls area. That looks to be a little bit heavier of a rain shower, but overall still light in nature. And over in the Cascade area, you can see, I don't think this is making it to the ground as much as over in the Twin Falls area, probably maybe a little drizzle at times. And so we expect this moisture to continue as we go into the evening hours. And you can see it is expected to pick up as we go into the later hours, maybe 9:30, 10 o'clock. At that time, we will start to see more snow in the mountains. That's expected to continue all the way through Saturday, multiple different rounds. And now as we go into Sunday, as that snow level drops, we expect to see some more snow chances over for the Magic Valley area. This will roughly be about 1 to 2 inches for that area. And for the mountains, roughly, we are expecting about 2 inches per night. So both Saturday and Sunday, about 2 inches per night for some of those mountain locations. We do expect after Sunday that we get a little bit of a drying pattern as we go into Monday, but we still have some chances for some light snow. After Monday, now we're talking about snow for valley locations. So we switch from that rain to snow after the weekend. In the meantime, though, those temperatures will be staying a little bit more mild. And in the mountains, central mountains, we're expecting roughly, again, about 2 inches of snow per night this weekend. And so as we go into the west central mountains, similar, but slightly less than maybe the Sun Valley area as far as the snow goes. Over in the valleys, for now, we're talking about rain in those valley locations as the temperatures and highs will be near 50. Again, staying mild through the weekend. Then Monday's where we start to see that flip. And then we start to see even more cool temperatures and more chances of moisture, including snow, as we go into next week. We'll be right back with sports.